We will be discussing today real estate financing with Sabine Krauß, top financial advisor in the Rhein-Neckar area. Sabine Krauß consults her customers in English and in German. Hello, Sabine, how are you?
Hi, Fabienne. Thanks for having me there today.
We're very glad to have you. So, Sabine, would you tell us, please, what are the preconditions for real estate financing?
Yes, sure. The preconditions is especially for international customers, first to have a permanent residentship, a permanent job, some savings to cover the additional costs like notary, taxes, agent fee. It depends how you build it and you buy it. And the third thing is definitely a net income, which not only covers the banking rate, also on top covers additional costs later, like power insurance and a little surplus on top, because you see the inflation triggers higher prices.
Thank you. And what is important for me to know when going through the process?
The most important thing is to have at the end a good concept. And with a good concept, you definitely need a consultant. The good concept actually depends on your personal wishes. Are you more a security-oriented person? So you say, I don't want to have any risk in it. If I have a 30-year loan, I would like to lock in interest for 30 years. Or are you someone, for instance, from the IT and get big bonus? So you said, I would like to pay down once a year, so I can also live with a shorter tenor, but with a better interest. And are you saying, I don't mind risk? The main thing is the lowest possible interest. And we both, so you and as customers and myself, would work on this, and I lead you through this, and at the end you decide the concept, but the main point is that you have understood the concept.
Okay, and how can I be successful throughout the whole process?
That's an interesting question. There we have to divide in short term and long term. The short term success is at the end to go successful through the financing and get the bank approval, which is currently not that easy because times have changed. Interest rises and prices are still high. So at the end, I need your cooperation. The banks wants to have a lot of documents, and I have to say, I'm not always satisfied with the documents they want to have, but that does not help. We have to satisfy the banks so that we get the approval. So I need your or the customer's cooperation. And this is a short-term success. The long-term success is that you are happy with the financing, and not that you close the financing and then you start saying, oh, we need modernization. Where do I get the money from? So that you have with the financing a lot of other gaps. That does not help you. Or that you say, I only locked in for 10 years. And after 10 years, we have a refinancing problem. So this brings you back to point 2. We have to have a successful concept to make at the end the financing successful.
I totally agree. Thank you so much, Sabine.
Thank you, Fabienne.